Hey everybody, it's Mary the Craft Hoarder, and I'm here with my February DT package for Angel Dream Crafts on Etsy. The first thing I'm going to show you is this wonderful German book paper. The texture is just incredible. Hold that up a little closer. They are individual sheets, but they're going to be great for tags, for junk journaling. The next thing I purchased, or I should say I received for my DT package, were these wonderful doilies. You get 8 of them, and they've got these little nubs, so they'll be great for a doily book. I also picked up 2 yards of this white tulle, as well as a yard of this really soft pink tulle. Okay, what else did I get? Oh, okay. This wonderful Cluny lace. It is so soft and so delicate. That's going to be perfect for around images. It's a perfect size for you card makers. And then the last 2 items I picked up were some of these lovely brooches she has in her shop. This is a lovely gold one. And then this silver with the gray drop. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh, I can't wait to start working with this kit. I shouldn't say kit, but my design team goodies. So again, this is February's unboxing for Angel Dream Crafts on Etsy. All the information is down below. Make sure you go visit her shop. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.